What is a spread? Spread is just long what's undervalued, short what's overvalued. I have a lot of examples that are in this slide deck that I'm about to show you, but you're not trading direction. The market is filled with just pure supply and demand, right? The relationship between gold and silver. What happens if a big hedge fund is initiating a monstrous position in silver? Well, silver is going to trade higher. Is gold going to trade higher? Not necessarily. When silver is dragged higher by that huge buyer, relative value traders look somewhere else. What else is going to be dragged up? When silver goes higher, gold goes higher. So why the best traders spread? Well, for one, you're taking out the beta of the overall market. When the market gets shellacked, like it did, if you're long one asset and short another asset, you're trading the difference between the two. So you kill the beta of the overall market. You're able to isolate your edge because you're waiting until things lose value. And it's a much better way of surviving for the long term. Here's an example. Here's an example. And this example is going to be in the S&Ps, which is red, and the Russell, which is purple, right? Right here. So during this time, the purple is more expensive than the red. If you were bullish, maybe you would buy the red. If you were bearish, maybe you would sell the purple. Or a relative value trader would do both sides and wait until they come back together. Sometimes purple trades above, sometimes purple trades below, sometimes purple trades above. It's putting yourself in the right contract all the time. This is just an example with S&P and small caps. You can do it with the NASDAQ. You can do it with the Dow. Here's something we look at closely. What about oil refiners? Oil refiners move together. They move together as an industry. 3 companies, CBOE, DK, PSX is the white, I forgot which one this is, but we're looking relative value. If you're looking for refiners, CVI is trading inexpensive to the other refiners. Solar companies. Solar companies are moving together. JKS, a Canadian solar company, getting hit harder than the US and China solar companies. Maybe if you wanted to buy a solar company, you would consider getting long JKS. Rare earths. Rare earths all moving together. We have MP, USAR in white, and then TMC. We are long TMC because it's the cheapest rare earth miner. It's always making sure you're putting yourself in what's cheap and what's expensive. Profiting. I'm new here. Which of your current trades do you think will bring the most amount of profit? I'm sharing trades all the time. The trades that will bring the most amount of profit are the all access, fully researched trades that we always share. What I'm doing here is I'm teaching you overall how to look at the market. Natural gas. AR is in purple. CRK is in orange. Natural gas is in yellow. Why is CRK weak to the basket? When it was here, it came back. It overtook AR. Now it's so weak. Will it come back? That's how we need to look at the overall market. Yield curves. When we look at the yield curve, when we look at the VIX, we're looking at time, 2 days out, 5 days up, 2 years, 5 years, 7 year, 10 year, and you're trading the difference between those two. Okay. Even sector rotation. Sectors rotating, selling what's expensive, buying what's inexpensive. It is the best way to look at the overall market. You can look at volatility with option spreads. Overall, you want to find things that are cheap to sell against things that are expensive. Also, this is why we look at the market using our expected moves. Here's the expected move of CCJ, a company that we like, a uranium company. CCJ right at the bottom of its expected move. It stays within its expected move 83% of the time. So CCJ, this might be a pretty good candidate for a long trade, but we need the market to rally. And in order for the market to rally, we need to get above our line in the sand. Our line in the sand today, 731.53. We will not turn bullish till we get over this level. So watch this level closely. If we're able to trade above this level and close above this level, I think tomorrow is going to be a very, very, very strong up day. Okay? What we always do, guys, is we break off for our all access community. For our all access community, I always pull up our Discord just like this. And I make sure that they can see me. And then we'll go over some of our open positions. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you could always call the number that Chris shared, 866-363-5768. Come work with us. Try it out. The community is fantastic. The trades are great. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We'll see you tomorrow. All access. You guys hang tight. We'll be right back.